Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install MySQL on Windows 10. So let's download it first. Go to the browser. Here type MySQL. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, mysql.com. Here, click on it. Now we have reached the official website. Click on downloads. Here, go to bottom and click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Now under community downloads, click on MySQL installer. Now here the installers are visible for the current version 8.0.22. So let's download this. Click on download. Here just click on no thanks, just start my download. Now the download started, it's only 2.5 MB. This is an installer. The download completed. Click on the arrow. Let's open it. Now let's minimize this. Now guys, you need to select the setup type here. The developer default will install server, shell, router, workbench, everything. Server for server only, client, MySQL client for client only, complete installation for full. Let's go for custom installation. Now click on next. On clicking next, you can see you can select the products you want to install. Here click here, MySQL server 8.0. 8.0.22 is the current version. Click on it and drag it here. Now let's go to applications. Here go to workbench. Click again and just drag it. We have moved it. Now last one would be shell. Here MySQL shell, just drag it. That's it. These three. Now just click on next. Now let's just click on execute. It will take some time to get installed. Yes, install it. Now guys, all three of them got installed. So the requirement it has shown is that we need to install Microsoft Visual C++ 2019. Here you can see. So on clicking execute, we installed it. Now installation done and click on next. Now ready to download all three of them. Click on execute. Now downloading started for all three of them. So guys, as you can see here, the products have been installed, all three of them, server, workbench and shell. Now click on next. Ready to configure, click on next. Now here you can see type and networking, keep it default and click on next. Here the port number is visible. Use strong password for authentication, yes, it's fine. Go to next. It is written recommended, so click on next. Now let's enter a password. So obviously, so I hope you know for any database the default user is root. So let's add root password. So guys, we have created the root password. Now let's click on next. If you want to create a new user, you can add a user from here. We will keep the default one root and click on next now. Now Windows service, keep the default and click on next again. Here these are apply configuration steps. Click on execute to apply all of them. So guys, as you can see, the configuration for MySQL server successful. Now click on finish. Configuration completed. Click on next. Now you can see installation complete. It will begin the MySQL workbench and shell. This looks fine. Click on finish. Now the shell and workbench started. You can see. Now let's connect. Here it was a root user. I'll click on it to connect. Here enter the password we entered before. Click on OK. Now it connected successfully. Now let's minimize these. Let's open command prompt. Go to start, CMD, right click, run as administrator. Let's increase the font, right click, properties, font. 24 looks fine. It's fine now. Now let's reuse the path where we installed MySQL. This PC, C drive, program files, MySQL, MySQL Server 8.0 bin. Now copy this path, right click copy and minimize this. Let's reuse the location, CD space, right click and paste it. Now press enter. We have reached the location. Now type the command mysql -u root user and p for password. Now press enter. On pressing enter, it will ask for the password. If you remember, we enter the password while working with root user. Press enter now. Now you can see server started. Now let's see the databases. The command is show databases. Press enter. So here the default databases are visible. You can see here it is. Now let's create a database. Create database. Amit DB. Press enter. Now you can see created. Use Amit DB. Use the database. Press enter. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install MySQL